Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change Twitter display language on desktop. Log into your Twitter account if you are not already logged in. Click on the More tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Settings and Support from the pop-up menu. Now click on the Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Under Settings section, click on Your Account. Your account settings page will open. Click on Account Information. Click on the Languages field. Click on the Display Language field. Click on the drop-down menu below the text Display Language. Select your language from the drop-down menu. Click Save to apply the changes. That's it, changes has been saved. As you can see, Twitter display language is now changed to our preferred language. This is how you can change Twitter display language on desktop. Thank you for watching.